Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Cooler Master QUBE 500 Flatpack Macaron. This case is making waves with its unique approach to PC building. Cooler Master is marketing this case as DIY for everyone, and that's immediately apparent with its flatpack design. Instead of receiving a fully assembled case, you get a box of panels and components that you put together yourself. The flatpack design isn't just a gimmick. It's a core part of the QUBE 500 appeal. It allows for a high degree of customization right from the start. You can choose how you want to assemble the case, giving you flexibility in terms of airflow and component placement. It's a fun and engaging experience, even for seasoned builders. The Macaron color scheme is definitely eye-catching. It's a pastel blend that stands out from the typical black or white cases on the market. If you're looking to build a PC that reflects your personality, the QUBE 500 offers a great starting point. This is a mid-tower case, so it strikes a good balance between size and compatibility. It supports up to extended ATX motherboards, providing ample room for high-end components. The case is recommended for both gaming and business use, highlighting its versatility. The QUBE 500 features a tempered glass side panel, allowing you to showcase your components. It also includes a vertical GPU mount, which is a nice touch for those who want to display their graphics card. The case provides 365mm of GPU clearance, so it should accommodate most modern graphics cards. Cooler Master has included a USB-C port on the front panel, which is a welcome addition for modern connectivity. The carrying handle is also a practical feature, making it easier to move the case around. The Gem Mini, which appears to be some sort of accessory, adds a little extra flair to the overall package. The QUBE 500 uses a bottom-mounted power supply design, which is pretty standard for modern cases. This helps to isolate the power supply from the other components, improving cooling efficiency. Overall, the Cooler Master QUBE 500 Flatpack Macaron is a unique and customizable case that offers a fun building experience. Its flat-pack design, eye-catching color scheme, and support for high-end components make it a great option for both beginners and experienced builders.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.